On the porridge pot, you know. Alright. So I go on there, I add some salt to the water. Not really enough. You know, say the good old cornmeal porridge, I be all time greater man. Cause I know all time days, you have sugar, lasco, cornmeal, nutmeg, vanilla, you have some molasses. Yeah man, make it thing like that like a iron man. So you know say, I go add the cornmeal in the cold water. Tell me why, it can't lump up that way. Yeah, so me see my father boil porridge back in the days, cornmeal porridge. You say? Yeah, and him stir it, so it can't lump up. I must say, like a chef, you know, creative, you know, creative soul, you know. You see, it can't lump up. When you put in the boiling water, it lump out. See the secret to boil cornmeal porridge, eh? Alright? So you tell just go and turn it up, turn it up. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack cornmeal porridge in the morning, to break fast. I don't know my crib, so one big pot now boil. That one boil, see fire there? Come, we eat back man them porridge. One pot of cornmeal porridge, man, no joke. Say come out now, no lump in the porridge, so why chef no me? Next time don't put no porridge on the boil and put in cold water, right? Yeah man, see there, Jamaican cooking lumberjack. Please like and share, remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also leave a comment. Natural cornmeal porridge, one seal, nice little pot. You know where I drink the porridge and go up on the work and go do some, put in some work. I mean I say, yeah, cause you know so we have to work, you know, cause we don't get no hands out. Me not get no hands out, so I have to work for more, so the greatest thing we have to give thanks. So I say, so I go drink some porridge, get some strength, so do some work and now. So remember to like and share, remember to subscribe also. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. We have the molasses put night, you know, this thing make it hard like a iron, you know, so a girl have to run at the bed. We have some vanilla, liquids and nutmeg. We have little sugar, not really enough. So we have the lasco. We don't have cinnamon. So we use the way but I don't know we are creative soul, so we can create it if it tastes nice and flavor good. So remember please like and share, remember to subscribe. I lumber that upon the app man. Porridge on the dash of fire. Vanilla and porridge, only flavor and taste. Yeah. Only for flavor and the porridge, one vanilla and it, only. So you know, so the cornmeal boil for 90 minutes, because right now we don't want to pour porridge, you know. Let the cornmeal cook it right way. Yeah. My last come take my teeth and bite it on my own. I want everything in my porridge. Everything. See the fork for it. Have to strong up yourself. It's no lump no night. So the boy Cornmeal porridge, yeah? Remember putting a cold water. Stir it. That's how I see my father boil the porridge. Them man they are big top chef. No nobody tell me not my father chef. Man cook up some cook up pork, give me and cook up some average back in the days with Cornmeal lumping. Big up my father, big up my mother, big up my son, big up my daughter. Don't bother big up yourself also. And big up my fans basic. Yeah. What I say? And big up Father God and everything. Nice pot of Cornmeal porridge in the morning, yeah. And you know say, big up all our supporters them. You know say outside. Yeah. Remember peeps don't have to drink up on the porridge, you know. Man them now and wash nobody, but they don't know how to take care of yourself, you know. See it. Cause you know a girl like laugh at her, you can't perform in a bed with soft in a bed, you have to stung up yourself. If I have one time for a year drink some porridge, you know. But me drink porridge regular still, but so it goes still. Nice pot of Cornmeal porridge in the morning, yeah. Presentation, delicious. Remember Jamaican cooking lumberjack, you know. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, you know. Yeah, leave a comment and try the recipe them and tell me. Enough comment me see and thing, I'm read them, but I don't really tag them on video and things still, but I don't know, I'm still reading the comment them. Give it one like, see me, see it, so big up to all our supporters them. Big up to the viewers them, likers them, and comment them and subscribe. I want to subscribe more. Repost the video them and share them. Yeah. Remember say hard work and dedication, you know, man. Hard work we believe in it. So me I say, yeah. And with I wait my turn and thing and I work hard towards them I see it. So I want them support. Just go and share the video them see me. Like, comment, repost. And remember to subscribe. Check out YouTube channel Jamaican Cooking Lumberjack. You know say JB where did it make? You don't know? Down at Ready Park. Kill it. You see? But you know say molasses is nice than really JB. We don't drink no JB rum now. So the molasses is about 10 years old in the back. So the back look crusty and crusty. And molasses. I'm saying the back look clean, so the molasses do a drain out. Look how thick, it can't even come down. You know how much strength of this, how much horsepower of this? 50 million horsepower inside the molasses. Some people don't really know molasses still, but it's a thing. The burn cane make molasses, you know, the burn cane. They use and make it good for your nerves, to calm your nerves. And I say, so you know, so I put some of the porridge and things, because you don't know how to strong up yourself. The younger generation don't really know molasses still, but a good thing for your health. You can't drink too much, but you just, when you're ready, you just take a spoon of it, or you put in your porridge, or, you know, mix in some water. Yeah. So I'm going to do that in the pot. So I'm going to stir it now. I know say the pot small, you know, but next time I get a bigger pot to see it. I got some brown sugar to it. Not really enough because sweet's not really good, but you can put enough sugar in a phone. I say, I don't want no till milk still. I'm going to think I want one supplement. I want malt, but next time again me advance the porridge, you know. But this is a simple, natural pot of recipe. Cornmeal porridge, normal, simple recipe. In the morning, you know. I go find some hard work and down, so you don't say. You have to put in back something in the body. Strong up back. And strong up for your girl, nice sexy body girl them. Nice sexy body big woman, you have to strong up for them too, you know. Can't weak in a bed. You get beaten, remember. You have to lift up the girl them. And so I say run up and down with them. Exercise, a gym. That's the girl them and the big woman them love. Zane? Yeah, remember. The chef lumberjack attack, you know. Still for drink. One big bowl. Alright, that. Alright, that's all. Yeah, you know.